Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. I hope the previous videos were very useful to you all, friends. Whatever content you all want, please write it in the comment section. In this video, you will learn some short and simple sentences for everyday use.
Greetings and introductions. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
What's your name?
My name is Tom.
My name is Rachel.
Nice name, Rachel.
My name is Rachel.
Nice name, Rachel.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
I am from India.
That's a beautiful country.
I am from India.
That's a beautiful country.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
I am 24 years old.
That's great.
I am 24 years old.
That's great.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
You are welcome.
Thanks again.
I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
I am a teacher.
What do you teach?
How have you been?
I have been good, thanks.
How have you been?
I have been good, thanks.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while.
It's great to see you.
Same here.
It's great to see you.
Same here.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See you. Take care.
See you soon.
See you. Take care.
Take care.
You too.
Take care.
You too.
Making requests and asking for help. Can you help me, please?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you help me, please?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you pass me the salt?
Here you go.
Could you pass me the salt?
Here you go.
Please wait a moment.
No problem, I will wait.
Please wait a moment.
No problem, I will wait.
I need your help.
I am here for you.
I need your help.
I am here for you.
Can I borrow your book?
Yes, take it.
Can I borrow your book?
Yes, take it.
Would you mind helping me?
Not at all.
Would you mind helping me?
Not at all.
Can you do me a favor?
Of course.
Can you do me a favor?
Of course.
Please speak slowly.
Okay, I will speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Okay, I will speak slowly.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
May I come in?
Yes, please, come in.
May I come in?
Yes, please, come in.
Could you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
Could you say that again?
Sure, no problem.
Help me carry this.
All right, let's do it.
Help me carry this.
All right, let's do it.
I need some water.
I will get it for you.
I need some water.
I will get it for you.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, here it is.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, here it is.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Could you open the window?
Sure, I will open it.
Could you open the window?
Sure, I will open it.
Please give me a minute.
Take your time.
Please give me a minute.
Take your time.
I am lost. Can you help me?
Yes, where do you want to go?
I am lost. Can you help me?
Yes, where do you want to go?
Can you explain this to me?
Yes, I'll explain.
Can you explain this to me?
Yes, I'll explain.
Show me how to do this.
Okay, watch me.
Show me how to do this.
Okay, watch me.
Common responses. Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
All right, no problem.
No, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Maybe later.
Sure, just let me know.
Maybe later.
Sure, just let me know.
I think so.
Let's try it then.
I think so.
Let's try it then.
I don't think so.
Okay, let's find another way.
I don't think so.
Okay, let's find another way.
That's right.
Glad we agree.
That's right.
Glad we agree.
That's wrong.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's wrong.
Oh, sorry about that.
I agree.
Me too.
I agree.
Me too.
I disagree.
That's okay, we all think differently.
I disagree.
That's okay, we all think differently.
I am not sure.
Let's check it.
I am not sure.
Let's check it.
I don't know.
That's fine, let's find out.
I don't know.
That's fine, let's find out.
Exactly.
Yes, I feel the same.
Exactly.
Yes, I feel the same.
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
That's good idea.
Thanks.
That's good idea.
Thanks.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Never mind.
All right.
Never mind.
All right.
That's okay.
Thanks for understanding.
That's okay.
Thanks for understanding.
It does not matter.
Okay, let's move on.
It does not matter.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's try again.
Yes, let's not give up.
Let's try again.
Yes, let's not give up.
200+Simple. 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 200+ Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!